Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network related issues, network not working, slow internet, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to system, tap here, go to reset options, tap here, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on reset settings button, again tap on reset settings. Done. See the message, network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, you can go back and check network should work. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, that's all. Okay, so this way we can reset network settings and fix all network related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.